In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy to go from $0 to $10,000 within the first 30 days doing affiliate marketing, meaning selling other people's products and services. Hey guys, my name is Munib Muhammad, and in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy to do affiliate marketing that most these internet marketing gurus doesn't want you to know. This strategy actually allowed me to go from $0 to $10,000 within 30 days of implementing it. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because I'm coming up with some amazing ideas on this channel that you don't want to miss out, especially if you are someone who wants to make money online. And while you are here, just smash that like button and turn on the notification. This will help me with the YouTube algorithm. My intention on this channel is to show you the naked truth of the marketing world, the strategies that actually work in real time. This will not only help you to take your business to the next level, but will also help you get clarity and confidence in the marketing world. I can't solve all your problems in life, but if I could just help you solve your money problem, then probably you can solve about 95% of your problems on your own, right? So let's get into this. So a lot of people ask me, what is affiliate marketing? They hear a lot of people talking about affiliate marketing and they want to start this business too, right? And here's what majority of the people are doing. So what they do is they join affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo or whatever, right? Then what they do is they find a product that they want to promote, right? And then they grab their unique affiliate link, right? And they share that affiliate link on social media platforms, blog posts, YouTube channel, or they might pay Facebook or YouTube to run ads, right? Whatever. And whenever someone purchases from that affiliate link, they get a commission. Sounds interesting, right? But you know the problem with that particular model is if you follow that particular model, this is what's gonna happen. And I'm telling you from my personal experience because I used to follow the same exact strategy in the beginning. And guess what? I lost more money in ads than I made. And if you are going the route to share your affiliate links on social media platforms, blogs, or YouTube channel, then you'll be spending a lot of time to create content to make little to no money. You'll be in mercy of these platforms to show your content, and then you just hope for people to purchase your products and services from your affiliate link. As a matter of fact, if you go on YouTube and type in how to do affiliate marketing, this is what the majority of the people will ask you to do. Join the affiliate network, select a product, get your affiliate link, share your affiliate link on social media, or run an ad. When someone purchases anything, you get a commission. That is a garbage advice because that is not a real business. This is not how you make real big money on internet. Imagine what will happen if you have to feed your family on nothing but affiliate commissions. Will you follow that strategy and just wait and wish that someday somebody will purchase from your affiliate link? I don't know about you, but I cannot afford to do that. So my approach to affiliate marketing is completely different from what majority of the people will teach you on YouTube or anywhere else. And you can model this for yourself as well. Now let's first understand what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but helping people reach their goal. Let's say this person, Mike, wants to go airport, right? But he doesn't have a car. So Uber comes in between and helps Mike go to the airport. Now notice Uber does not own a single car in their inventory. Uber drivers use their personal car to pick you up and drop you off. Yet Uber is making $17.4 billion just by being the middle person, using someone else's car, right? Let me give you one more example. Let's say the same person, Mike, is on a holiday, right? And he needs a place to sleep, to take a shower or whatever, right? So Airbnb comes in between and helps Mike find a place. Now, Airbnb does not own a single piece of real estate. Airbnb does not own a single hotel. Yet they are the biggest hospitality company in the world. They are making $5.9 billion just by being the middle person. Someone else is gonna provide their place. Airbnb is just making commissions, right? Now, what is common between Uber and Airbnb? They both don't have own products. They don't have it, right? But what they have is they have a system that works for them 24/7. Even if they are sleeping, That system allows them to make money. That's why they are so successful, right? So all they are doing is they are helping people reach to their final goal. That's all they are doing. So my approach to affiliate marketing is this. I don't want to create my own product. I don't want to be dependent just on one product. And I don't want my business to be just about affiliate link. This is what every other person is doing. Go to ClickBank or Amazon and grab the affiliate link and share everywhere. That's not a real business. Come on, what are you talking about? Build a real business. For God's sake, that makes big money. Let me show you an example. Now, you might have heard about this company called Credit Karma. If you are in the United States, you might have used Credit Karma to run credit reports for free. But have you ever wondered how do they make money? Because recently they have been sold out for $7.1 billion. So let's see how on earth Credit Karma is making money. So according to Investopedia, it says Credit Karma makes money by receiving a fee every time a user purchases a product or service it recommends, meaning it does affiliate marketing. So they have a website like this where they give credit scores for free, which brings them a lot of traffic. Then they recommend credit cards. So if you go here, right, if you go on credit cards, they are recommending a lot of credit cards, right? Like they have Citi card, Secured MasterCard, Citi Simplicity card, Deserve, whatever, right? And when you click anywhere here, right, boom, you are on Citi cards. You are redirected from Credit Karma to Citi cards. You are no longer on Credit Karma, right? And this is what we call an affiliate link. This link, the URL that you see over here, this is affiliate link of Credit Karma. Now, what's gonna happen is if I get any card from this website, they will pay Credit Karma an affiliate commission. And that's how Credit Karma made $7.1 billion. So when I'm talking about affiliate marketing, I'm talking about how to build a real business. Do you want to build a real business? Just like Credit Karma, just like NerdWallet, who generates $380 million annually, owns zero product, they make money 100% from affiliate commissions. So when I do affiliate marketing, I do differently. Obviously, I'm not making millions of dollars yet, but do I see myself going into that direction? Heck yeah. And if you do it right, you can build yourself a business that you can even sell in the future if you wanted to. When I do affiliate marketing, I never rely on just affiliate link. And you should never do that either, because if you are relying just on affiliate link, your business is doomed from the beginning because you're leaving a lot of money on the table. You don't have an ecosystem, you don't have a home on the internet, you're not building that relationship with your audience. If you don't have a strong relationship with your audience, then you're not building your brand. Does that make sense? So what I'm showing you in this video is the real deal affiliate marketing business. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you have to build your brand, build your business, create a system that works for you 24/7. In other words, you have to separate yourself from the crowd. Hopefully, this will make you think a little bit differently about affiliate marketing. And if you want to copy the exact same system that I'm currently using in my business, then check the description box. You're gonna love it, what I'm going to show you. I'm giving away 100% free training for a very limited time, where I will dive into all of these in much more detail and will show you the exact step-by-step process to start your online business from scratch. Click the link from the description and register your seat. That's it for now. See you soon in the next video.